My man. Yo. I gotta pay this ticket less than 8 minutes. I got 8 minutes to pay this ticket. Can you just sit in the car and watch it? Just sit in the car and watch. I'm gonna take the keys. I got you with the tip. I got you with the tip when I come back.
Tip?
Yeah.
How long you gonna be?
I'm gonna be like 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes. That's it. I got you when I come back too.
All right.
I don't know. I just don't have the time. You don't have the time, or you're not making the time. I guess I'm not making the time.
Well, do you have a little bathing suit?
I don't have that bathing suit beach body.
You can get that bathing suit beach body.
How?
Oh, damn.
You know what kale is?
What's kale?
It's green.
It's green.
I don't know what I'm doing tonight. Me either.
Hi. I didn't mean to interrupt y'all lovely ladies, but
No, it's okay.
I saw your tattoo from a distance. I mean, where did you get that tattoo from?
AJ's tattoos?
AJ down in Jersey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I own that shop.
No.
We're in Jersey.
In Cherry Hill, New Jersey, yeah. I'm actually here because I'm opening up my shop down on Market Street.
Really?
Yeah. I also, at the same time, a little further down Chestnut Street, the t-shirt that you got on, I actually did the printing for that. Actually, another model that's actually better.
No, really.
Yeah, I actually did that, so.
Do you have a pen?
Well, I have my phone if you want my phone number.
Oh, I told you he wasn't shit. No, come back. Yo, we are going. Whatever, scrub.
Yo, thanks for holding it down, bro. Yo, I handle my business. Yo, for real. Yo, hold on. All I got is a quarter on me, dog. Yo, I appreciate you so much. You the realest.